Hi guys, today we'll be installing the wind deflectors on a Nissan Qashqai. So I've just got the delivery, it's came in, so I'm just unpacking the package, see what we got inside. It should be 4 wind deflectors, and also should be, I think, this 8 clips, which is will be showing you soon. They will be, adjusting with the wind deflectors. So just checking the delivery. Hopefully it's the R4. So let's go outside and try them on, or try to install them. So basically, before I started, sorry I just missed the part, which is I clean around the side with the screwdriver. I will show you on the next one. Just had the difficulty basically holding the camera with one hand, and it would be easier if you got someone with you to help you, especially if you filming. But if you do it by yourself, it's going to be a bit hard to film with one hand and try to install it with the hand. But to be honest with you, if you're not filming, it's going to be straightforward. It's very easy to do. So as you see, I put the first side, like the mirror side, just push it in, and then on the right hand side, as you see, I pushed it in, and all you got just the middle. So just as you see, I'm using only one hand, and you can easily just push it, but don't apply too much pressure. Like, don't be aggressive with the plastic. The plastic is a bit softer, so it could be easily cracked or broken, so you can break it easily. But as you see, I'm just like allowing a small pressure to it, and that's it, and we fit in. So as you see, one part is done, and they all comes in with the stickers. As you see, this one has got like 3 or 4 stickers. So basically, just remove the stickers. That's like double side stickers. So basically, as you see, I'm just removing them. And don't forget, as I said, sometimes just run the screwdriver around the edge of the glass goes up, on the door side. So just in case, sometimes you get sometimes you get dirt or stuck like mine on the one I've done first. That glass was, as you see now, I'm doing it now. The glass was broken before someone broke into the car, so it was bits of pieces of glass in there. So basically just go around it, as you see, with a screwdriver. Just make sure there's nothing there, it's clean, and get all your window down. Then, as you see, push the one side first, and the back one is quite easy to install, very easy. You don't need to bend them that much. You just need just push in, and don't forget the clips, which I will be showing you soon. And you see these clips, make sure there's a little pin coming up to be inside, not on this on the plastic side, but the other way around. So as you see, once you push the clips, sometimes if you see them, if it's too hard to push it in, just squeeze them a little bit, and once you push them up, and just grab a screwdriver and push it up. Don't force it too much, just a bit slowly, and just push them up. I'm sure there should be like 2 each side, so you should have 8 coming up with them. It's up to you if you want to put more, but I think 2 of them should be enough for each door. So as you see, just push them in.
Motherfucker.
Sorry, with the camera I couldn't stay on one side. This one hand is moving. So as you see, it just push it up, and that's done. So basically, you need to repeat the same process for each door. So this is the driver door, which is, I've done the same thing. I run the screwdriver around the edges of the window. Just make sure there's no debris or anything stuck in there. It's quite easy to do. And this one, as I said, you know, put the mirror where the mirror side first. Yeah, so basically I'm just running the screwdriver around it just to make sure there's nothing in there, as I said. And you push the mirror side. It's quite easy. It's like too easy in there. And then you got the same thing on the other side, as you see. The plastic is very still soft, so just don't push it too hard. But it's easy to install. Absolutely, it's very easy. And that's it. The job takes like 10 minutes. Once you do the first one, the rest of them is so easy to install. And before you finish, just make sure you know you run your window up and down, just to make sure that you don't have any difficulty. That's it. So that's the driver's side. It's done. And don't forget the clips. So you got 2 in this side as well. So you always go to the moving part. If you just try to shake it and you see which one is softer, like, you know, moving a bit shaky, and just put the pin in there. So this clips, I've just seen one clip. I lost that one earlier and I couldn't find it. Can't even believe it. I've just seen it just now. So I'm just gonna go and grab it. This one I dropped earlier when I was fixing this side and I couldn't film. I can't even believe it. I looked on the floor everywhere. Now I've seen it. So I tried the window on this one. It was a bit hard to for the window to go up. So basically I just removed it and installed it again, and it works fine. So as you see, I'm going to put the clips in this side. As I said, the pin will make sure is either inward or outward is still working anyway. So just but the clips hold on properly. Definitely you have to put the clips. Make sure you put them on. Otherwise, when you're driving, if it's a strong wind, basically, you know, it will help it with a bit noise. So once you put the clips, as you see, I'm trying to put the clips with one hand, so the camera is recording on us in the seat.
Okay, let's find it.
Sorry for the video, is a bit shaky. So that's, I'm just trying to show you this, you know, I'm pushing the clips inside. I mean, you can do it with your hand, but it's prefer to use a screwdriver to push them in. And you repeat the same thing with the other clip as well, and the same thing with all of them. Just make sure they all have clips, so you don't want to drop them. I mean, you've got a double side tape on all of them, but still that's not enough. Definitely have to put the clips on all of them. Just push them up with the screwdriver and it should be all fine. So the final part is just this window. For some reason, I think it was some, he doesn't want to go up and down. Well, actually he goes down, but when I push it up, as you see, I'm trying to clean, see if there is anything stuck in there. He goes down quicker, but in the end I found out there was some debris stuck in there, so I just sprayed a little bit of WD-40, cleaned it properly, and then the job is done. And this is the back one. As you see, I am putting the 2 clips into them, and just make sure you push it up. I mean, as I said, the job doesn't take that much. I mean, around 10 minutes. I mean, the only thing, the hard part is the first one. Once you put the first one on, that's it, the job is done. So it shouldn't take that much. and that's the box. I've got it in the back, still in the back. But there's comes in with the instruction as well, so I'll just put it on. That's quite easy. So that's the clip screwdriver. That's all you need. Basically, the job just needs a screwdriver, nothing else. The clips comes in with the with your order. So with the window reflectors, you got 4, as I said in the beginning, 4 of them, plus 8 clips. So because you're gonna need 2 clips for each refractor. This with the window deflector. So basically, you just need the 2 of each, and the job is done. If you got any difficulty or any questions or anything, don't forget to put them down below in the comments, and I will be so happy to answer them. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to share this video and subscribe if you're not. Thank you so much, and I will see you soon in another video. Thank you guys, take it easy, bye bye. Sorry guys, just want to show you the last bit. These wind deflectors definitely they gave the car a different look than before. It was like if you take them off, you're gonna look like the car is missing something. But definitely they give the car a different look completely. It looks like it was something missing. Thank you.